dusty, her armor getting rusty. She found thoughts she never had. Her young ones were just as bad. She wins without a weapon. I don't wanna know what she did. She's not who I am. At least that's what I thought. Now I'm second guessing. I can't put my gun down. My suit's getting heavy. Something wants to be released. Something dark inside me. Drops in the goggles, art of love. Something's really wrong and it feels awful. My body's back to normal. Hey Commander, can you unplug me? Just for a minute, I need some privacy. Headset off and stretch her neck out. Down the rocks to her head safe house.